welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to make sweet and speedy desserts. Let's now begin. This is the ingredients that you need. Before we start, bring a water in a deep pan to a boil. Cut the plum sugar into splinters. Mix warm water with pandan coloring and stir until the color is mixed. Combine the glutinous rice with rice flour. Add warm water little by little until the dough is well combined. Once the mixture starts to come together, knead it lightly until they are smooth. Once done, take enough dough to form 5 cm around and add the palm sugar inside. Seal it and carefully make a form of a ball and make sure there are no leaks. Put immediately the dough into the boiling of water. When they are floating, it means they are ready. Remove it from the water and rolling them into the dry coconut. Klepon is ready. Enjoy!
Additional tips. If you don't like palm sugar, replacing it with chocolate or Nutella instead. If you want to have a liquid filling, boil them 2 or 3 minutes longer after they are floating.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get our new video update. Thank you for watching.